Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game version and owning the Copper Mesa module. This prevents missing assets during the run. Once done, move to the Mesa entrance and open your map to set a waypoint. You want to minimize backtracking. You should already have a light tracker and 3 local tokens. If not, farm nearby scouts for 10-15 minutes. Make sure to salvage any journal fragment drops, because the journal requires assembled pages to trigger the scripted spawn. Once at the Mesa proper, follow the waypoint sequence in order. Outpost, ruins, ridge, then vault. The event state machine advances only in that flow. During the ridge stop, use 1 token to initiate the NPC exchange. That opens the ruins gate and primes the journal spawn. After the journal audio cue, you must defeat the Guardian within 90 seconds because the journal despawns on timeout. You should focus on burst damage and crowd control. You finish by picking up the Copper Mesa journal and immediately crafting or saving it to your account storage so it cannot vanish during a crash. If the journal fails to spawn, relog or zone out to reset the scripted event state. Relogging clears transient desyncs that commonly block spawns. Also, make sure your inventory filters and storage caps have space and accept the item type. Otherwise, the pickup will fail, and the event may reset without granting the journal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.